Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we will be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. We are having a very green week in the crypto market right now. Bitcoin is currently above $20,000. In this video, we will be looking at what Bitcoin is doing in the 2022 bear market, comparing it to the 2018 and the 2014 bear market. We'll look at some indicators that's flash, buy some Bitcoin. It looks as if they are flashing by Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin's market cap is still below $400 billion. Sentiment in the market, no longer in extreme fear. Right now, we're in the factor of fear. Is this the best time to add more Bitcoin, waiting for the next bull run? Or is this just a fake pump because Bitcoin is still going to $12,000 or $14,000? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're having a green day in the crypto market. All coins are having fun. They're pumping to the upside. The king of the market, Bitcoin, it has been consolidating the last 1 month, but it looks as if we're having a very green day because Bitcoin is up 6% in the last 1 day. In the last 1 week, up 6.9%. Up 8.9% in the last 1 month, even though we are still down 66.6% in the last 1 year. We have to take what the market is giving us. Bitcoin has been ranging, torturing us since 13th of September 2022. We have seen Bitcoin stock from $20,500 to as low as $18,100. It looks as if we're finally broken out of that range. Bitcoin got to as high as $20,700 today on the 26th of October 2022. The next logical support which we're looking at for Bitcoin to take out will be the 22,400 region, and Bitcoin can take out that region. Guys, we'll be heading for higher resistance level. That's around the $25,200 region. That's where we got in August 2022. Now, Bitcoin has been stuck in this range from 17,600 to $25,196. Bitcoin has been stuck in that range now for more than 130 days. Very, very tight range, just a 43% range. There's not been a lot of volatility in the price of Bitcoin. Is this the accumulation of a lifetime happening? I'll be showing you what Bitcoin did in the previous bear market, where Bitcoin spent around the same amount of time, and that was it. If you didn't get Bitcoin when it was trading in that bottom of that bear market, then you are not among the lucky individuals that got to buy Bitcoin below $3,500. Let me show you what Bitcoin did in the previous bear market. This is the 2018-2019 bear market. This was what Bitcoin was trading around $3,100 at the bottom of that bear market. We saw Bitcoin go from as high as $6,350. Swiftly, Bitcoin dumped Goblin Town, losing 50% of its value. A lot of people are calling for Bitcoin to continue dumping to $10,000. A lot of people are calling for Bitcoin to continue dumping to $1,000, $2,000, but that $3,100 held for Bitcoin. And if you take a look at what Bitcoin was doing throughout that time, Bitcoin was ranging from as low as 3,100. Bitcoin didn't go higher than 4,100 till 1st of April 2019. In total, Bitcoin spent more than 100 days consolidating in that tight range, just like we're doing right now. If you calculate it from where Bitcoin started capitulating, that's on the 25th of November, Bitcoin was consolidating, and we spent more than 120 days in that range. When Bitcoin finally broke out of the $4,100 range, guys, we saw Bitcoin pump to higher prices, even to as high as $13,000. Remember, before Bitcoin started consolidating like this, we had a huge capitulation move, and that's what happened in 2022. Before Bitcoin started consolidating like this, we had a huge capitulation move that took us from $31,000 to as low as $17,600. So guys, I won't be shocked to see Bitcoin even getting to as high as maybe $30,000 before the end of the year. From where Bitcoin is trading right now, for us to get to that $30,000 region, Bitcoin will have to go up just 50%. Very, very possible for Bitcoin to go 50% before the end of the year. I won't even be shocked to see Bitcoin even getting to as high as maybe $48,000. Right now, very outrageous. It looks like, oh, we're in the bear market. How will Bitcoin go that high? Guys, things move really, really quickly in the crypto market. Just some weeks ago, a lot of people are calling for Bitcoin to continue dumping to gobbling town, continue going to lower valuations, but Bitcoin has held this $17,600 region. That's proving to be our bear market bottom. If we take a look at some indicators that actually predicted the past for Bitcoin, guys, now is the time to be buying Bitcoin. I showed you what happened in the 2018-2019 bear market. Let's see what Bitcoin did in the 2015-2014 bear market. This bear market was a little longer for Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin consolidate way longer than it's doing right now. Bitcoin took more than 200 days to consolidate, but the bear market bottom for Bitcoin in 2015 entering 2016 was on January 2015 when Bitcoin got to as low as $166. We saw Bitcoin ranging in this 80% range. Bitcoin didn't pass there till we got to October 2015. So Bitcoin was going to the top end of that range, and the bottom of that range, Bitcoin was going from as low as $168 to as high as $312. But guys, when Bitcoin was done consolidating, we saw the greatest bull run of Bitcoin existence, because Bitcoin went from as low as $312 after the consolidation was complete. Bitcoin went to new all-time highs, getting to as high as $20,000 in December 2017. So right now, as we're consolidating the bear market, you want to be accumulating some Bitcoin. If you take a look at what Bitcoin's market cap is doing, Bitcoin's market cap is sitting at the previous all-time high we set in 2017. So Bitcoin was pumping in 2017 to $20,000. We saw the market cap get to as high as $331 billion. That's what we topped in 2017. Right now, that's proving to be the bear market bottom for us in 2022. If we don't see Bitcoin go below this $17,600 that we bottom, and the market cap getting to as low as $331 billion, if that levels can hold in this bear market, guys, we'll be gearing up for our march towards $100,000. A lot of market participants are expecting Bitcoin to continue dumping, expecting Bitcoin to get to that $12,000 region. If Bitcoin gets there, we might see the market cap getting to as low as $225 billion. But guys, I've shown you how Bitcoin has been accumulating in the past. We are seeing signs of what Bitcoin did in the past, what's repeating itself right now in 2022. If you take a look at sentiment in the market, we have been stuck in extreme fear. This has been one of the signs of the bottom in for Bitcoin. When the market is stuck in extreme fear, a lot of people in the market are fearful. Nobody wants to buy Bitcoin. People are waiting for lower prices. That's where you want to act smart. That's where the people that are going to profitable in the future, that's where they make the huge decisions to buy Bitcoin. If you take a look at this indicator, the Powell multiple, it has showed us previously when is the best time to buy Bitcoin. In the 2015 bear market that I just showed you guys, you can see the Powell multiple got to this green region. That was a good time to buy Bitcoin. In the 2017 bear market, we saw the Powell multiple get to this green region again. That was another good time to buy Bitcoin. Even in the COVID sell-off, another great time to buy Bitcoin. Right now in 2022, the Powell multiple is back to that green region. Will you be buying some Bitcoin? Let me show you on that chart that further proves why you should be paying attention to what Bitcoin is doing, even though we're not pumping to the upside. If you check out the MVRVZ score for Bitcoin, every other time it has gotten below zero has been a good time to buy Bitcoin. In 2011, in 2015, in 2018, even right now in 2022. But guys, remember, since we can't predict the future, a lot of people will be saying, how are you sure the bottom is in for Bitcoin? Bitcoin can still go to $12,000. Bitcoin will still dump, guys. Nobody was shouting Bitcoin will still dump at $69,000. People are shouting Bitcoin will dump at $18,000 after we have lost more than 70% of Bitcoin's value from the all-time high. You have to make your decisions in the bear market, but remember, the bear market is where millionaires are minted. If you take a look at what has been happening in the last 1 year for crypto, a lot of altcoins are down really bad, even Bitcoin. But guys, you want to be doing opposite of what the crowd are doing. If you take a look at what Bitcoin dominance has been doing in the market, Bitcoin dominance has gotten to as high as 48% in this bear market. Just where Bitcoin was getting to $17,600 when the dominance was around 48.33%. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 41%. Are we going to pump to the upside for Bitcoin dominance, or are we going to dump to gobbling town? Increasing Bitcoin dominance means the market is healthy, because guys, when new people come into the crypto space, more people learn about Bitcoin first before they start learning about altcoins. So when we see Bitcoin dominance increasing, there's always joy in the crypto market, because at some point in time, those capital is going to flow back to altcoins. And that's what brings about alt season. The last time before we had alt season, we saw Bitcoin dominance get to as high as 72%. Before Bitcoin dominance started dumping, it has dropped to as low as 39% in this bear market. Guys, if Bitcoin dominance is going to dump to the downside, maybe you might catch some relief for all coins in the market. But if we see Bitcoin dominance pumping to the upside, it means Bitcoin might be pumping, or Bitcoin is not dumping like the rest of the market. But anytime Bitcoin dominance is increasing, that's a good sign for us in the crypto market. And another index we have been following through and through, hoping for it to turn on itself so that the market can catch some relief, is the US dollar currency index. And we have seen that over time, when this index is increasing and pumping to the upside, it's actually bad for Bitcoin and bad for the cryptocurrency market. But the flip side is that when this index is dumping to the downside, it's actually good for Bitcoin and good for the crypto market. And we have seen the US dollar currency index go from as high as 114 to as low as 1110. That's lost more than 4% in the last 1 month. We'll be tracking to see where the US dollar currency index will be going in the coming weeks. If you take a look at the stablecoin dominance in the market, the stablecoin dominance, I added the dominance of DAI, USTC, and USDT. If you add all those dominance together, you can see that the stable coins in the market are losing dominance. Right now, they have just 12.5% dominance of the crypto market. We saw that dominance rise to as high as 17.58% when Bitcoin was trading around 17,600. If we see the stable coin dominance in the market increasing, that's a bad sign for Bitcoin and the crypto market. You want to see the stable coin dominance in the market reducing. That means a lot of people are leaving stable coins and running to Bitcoin. Right now, it looks as if Bitcoin is still going through accumulation. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think the bottom is in for Bitcoin? As Bitcoin is pumping, currently trading above 20,500. I know 20,500 means we're still down bad in the bear market, but at least we have left the range of 18,000, 19,000. It felt very, very strange waking up every day, making videos and seeing Bitcoin around 18,000, 900,000. Right now, we're getting some move to the upside. But guys, I have to still tell you guys, we might still see some move to the downside. Bitcoin faked us out in March 2022. We thought we broke out of this range right here around $44,000, $45,000. Bitcoin pumped to as high as $48,000, getting people bullish. And then we saw Bitcoin crash from that $48,000 straight to $17,000. Bitcoin lost 63% of its value in that process. So be careful out there. Nobody can predict the future. We're only using what has happened in the past to see what might happen in the future. And right now, it looks as if Bitcoin is copying what it did in the previous bear market. It looks as if we're going through accumulation. When Bitcoin starts pumping to the upside, always remember you want to take action when people are afraid to take action in the crypto bear market. Green Day, we're expecting a lot for Bitcoin in the month of October, but it looks as if Bitcoin didn't pump in the month of October. We're going sideways, but right now it looks as if November is shaping up to be a very, very great month. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Bitcoin right now in the bear market? Do you think the bear market low for Bitcoin is 17,600? Do you think Bitcoin can set new all-time highs in the next 1 year, 2 years, or maybe we'll never see new all-time highs for Bitcoin? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.